Let's face it, some bikes blend in, but others, they steal the spotlight. Whether you're rolling into a cafe, a mountain pass, or a biker meetup, some motorcycles make people stare and silently say, "That rider's got taste." And here's the best part. These bikes don't care how old you are. They look just as good under a 25-year-old adrenaline junkie as they do under a 55-year-old legend who's seen it all. So let's count down the top 5 motorcycles that turn heads at any age. Not just loud machines, but rolling works of art. Number 5, Ducati Panigale V4. The supermodel of superbikes. Ducati didn't make a motorcycle. They sculpted a red missile with curves. The Panigale V4 is what happens when form meets ferocity. It's lightweight, razor sharp, and comes with more electronics than a fighter jet. But let's be real. People don't turn their heads because of the specs. They turn because this thing looks like it was built by aliens who studied Italian art. Every detail screams, "I'm not here to ride. I'm here to perform." It doesn't matter if you're fresh out of college or got grandkids in middle school. When you're on a Panigale, you own the road. Number 4, Triumph Thruxton RS. Vintage never goes out of style. Some bikes flex muscles. This one flexes heritage. The Thruxton RS is like James Bond in leather. Classic, cool, timeless. It has that vintage cafe racer vibe, but under the tank. Modern engineering that'll surprise even the sport bike guys. The polished tank, minimalist lines, and twin shocks tell a story, a tribute to British racing history. Riding this bike feels like you're wearing a custom-tailored suit. Even if you're in jeans and a hoodie, it turns heads not by screaming, but by whispering elegance. And if you're a guy over 40, this bike doesn't make you look old, it makes you look wise. Number 3, BMW R18. The BMW R18 is not trying to be subtle. It's a cruiser that looks like it was built with brute steel and classical music playing in the background. It's got one of the biggest boxer engines ever put in a motorcycle, and it shows it off like a bodybuilder in a tank top. The chrome work? Ridiculous. The stance? Menacing. The sound? Deep, smooth, and commanding. This isn't for first-time riders. This is for riders who've seen a few decades and decided it's time for a rolling throne. It's a conversation starter, even if the only thing you say is a quiet nod as you roll past a line of sport bikes. Number 2, Yamaha MT-10 SP. The street monster. If Batman ditched the Batmobile, this is what he'd ride. The Yamaha MT-10 SP looks like it was designed in a wind tunnel full of chaos. It's angular, raw, and unapologetic. There's no fairing, no cover-up, just aggression on full display. It's powered by a detuned R1 engine, meaning it's got real muscle, but tuned for street domination, not track flexing. The LED eyes? Pure intimidation. The sound? A growl that turns heads even before they see you. Whether you're 22 or 52, riding this makes you feel like you're in a video game where the laws of physics are optional. Number 1. Harley-Davidson Street Glide ST, the American icon. Reimagined, you've seen it in movies. You've heard it before you saw it. And you've probably dreamed about riding one down Route 66. The Street Glide ST is Harley-Davidson at its most confident. Big fairing, bold stance, and a soul-deep rumble that makes nearby cars roll down their windows just to listen. It's not trying to be fast. It's not trying to be techie. It's trying to be legendary, and it succeeds. If you want to ride something that commands presence, whether you're rolling through town or across states, this is the bike that makes people stop and stare. So what do all these bikes have in common? They don't ask for attention. They demand it. Whether you're 28 or 68, when you ride one of these, you're part of a rare breed. Someone who knows that true style one isn't about age. It's about attitude. Let us know in the comments, which of these bikes would you take home today? And don't forget to subscribe if you want more bikes, bold opinions, and breakdowns that respect your time and your ride. Until then, stay sharp and stay in the saddle.